Scavenger service. Manyaman.
Kung burin pulusog yung Pilipinas.
Ano ko exercise?
Kasi masaya ako.
Kailangan din sa trabaho, sa messenger.
Para kayong resistensya mo kay bilang ko tama kayo ng masamang bisyo. Ito yung buhay ko. Enjoy.
On my report card, in the bathroom stall, a penis on the wall.
Yakoy Ice, 23 years old, taga City of San Fernando, Pampanga ako. I ride fixed gear. Moderator na ako pala ng ACSF Fix. That's a group of fixed gear riders from Tarlac City, Angeles City, and City of San Fernando. Kanita niyang anak ko pa, hilig ko na talaga yung mag-bike. Nag-start ko as BMX rider with my cousins, tapos mag-tricks kami. Tapos nag-evolve kasi ala ng progress kayong bike. Tapos higit ko naman skateboarding, cool Janie, atry kaya sala na naman progress. Then eventually, maging trending fixed gear. Tapos higit ko kayong mag-fixed gear kayong San Francisco, ikit ko mag-bum lang hills, mag-skid down the hills, tapos ayosip ko, ayos yun na, sobrang cool day ni, tapos ayosip ko, mantun kong kayabe na mag-fix gear din, locally, kayo ng Pampanga, then I met B-Boy and Rayman, tapos mag-start kaming ride fixed gear, then eventually, dinagulya, mag-boom, 2011 kaya pa mag-start, now 2013 na Meragul na yung Meragul. Tapos, ay na first event mi ni. 4, 3, 2, go! Sasabi mga yabang lang ano rin mag-fixed gear. Wow! Pero, side data, ating kami ding side. Sasabihin ko, baging honest ko na medyo tutuita, pero alin naman gana-gana, mga yabang lang. Nakalkit Kenny na mantod lamang kayabe kaya lang mag-fixed gear kasi bisa lang magiging. Pero deng aliwa kay kami, fashion media, gagamitan mo yung transportation, exercise, mag-build kaming community, tapos sasal kami ng environment. Then, parang ako, sana pag-aakit na kami mag-fixed gear, sana may inspire na rin mag-ride instead of using their cars. Sana, huwag nyo kami bastusin sa daan, porket nakabisikleta kami, wala kami mga license, akala nyo hindi kami nagbabayad ng tax, pero isa lang tayo sa atin lahat yung daan na to. Sana equal rights. Pasensya na in behalf of everyone else na kapag cause ng harm sa inyo habang nagda-drive. O ito, dakal salamat kasi document ni sir. Ikit yung side mi, aliwa mo itang side na rin mag-oppose ka rin mag-fixed gear. So salamat, sana ma-broadcast sa inyo and ma-open la rin minds na rin tao na fixed gear is not a crime, parang makanta. We're just kids having fun and doing our thing, doing what we love. Bigyan nyo kami ng time para ma-polish yung ugali namin sa daan. Eventually, magiging okay din, magiging magko-coexist din yung mga motorista at saka mga nagbibisikleta. Salamat.
I am only a child, yet I know if all the money spent on war was spent on finding environmental answers, ending poverty, and finding treaties, what a wonderful place this earth would be. At school, even in kindergarten, you teach us how to behave in the world. You teach us to not to fight with others, to work things out, to respect others, to clean up our mess, not to hurt other creatures, to share, not be greedy. Then why do you go out and do the things you tell us not to do? Do not forget why you are attending these conferences, who you're doing this for. We are your own children. You are deciding what kind of world we are growing up in. Parents should be able to comfort their children by saying, everything's going to be all right. It's not the end of the world. And we're doing the best we can. But I don't think you can say that to us anymore. Are we even on your list of priorities? My dad always says, you are what you do, not what you say. Well, what you do makes me cry at night. You grown-ups say you love us, but I challenge you, please, make your actions reflect your words. Thank you.